Hello everyone, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we will discuss how you can transfer the chat to another agent on the BotPenguin platform. Agents are basically your team members. You can add your team member whom you want to access the dashboard and assign them an appropriate role. You can create and manage your team members and roles in the team section. If you want to know in detail about how you can create and manage roles and team members, the video link for the same will be provided in the description box below. You can check it out. To transfer the chat to another agent or team member, you have to navigate to the inbox option on the left-hand side. In the inbox section, we have the 4 different subsections. In the chat section, you can manage all your bots conversations. In the order section, you can manage all the orders that has been received on your chatbot. In the contact section, you can manage all your leads or contacts, and in the group section, you can manage your groups. You can also create new groups on the basis of demographics and interest of your users. Groups can also be used in creating broadcast. If you want to know about any of these sections in detail, then the video link of the inbox section overview will be given in the description box below. You can check it out. To transfer a chat to another agent, you have to go to the chat section itself. Here you will find the visitor name along with the bot that they are interacting with. You will also find their email and the phone number. And here is the option of assigning an agent to a particular user or a chat. You have to click on the assign button here, and here you can create a new agent by clicking on the create agent button. And you can also assign an agent that you have already created. For example, I want to assign this chat to Rahul, so I am selecting Rahul here. And as you can see, the agent has been changed successfully. You can also search the agent by typing their name here, and you can also transfer the chat to another agent while having the chat with the user. For example, if I click on this option, suppose here I am having a chat to this user, but I want to assign this chat to anybody else, for example, Nirupam. So I'll change the agent here, and you can see the chat has been transferred to the another agent. So this was all about how you can transfer a chat to another agent on the BotPenguin platform. If you need any help, you can refer to our help documentation. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.